Take a ride in the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.